Hi bakers, it's Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club, and right now it is baking season. And I wanted to tell you that you can always use a quick tip, and that is to buy pre-made pie crust. And you want to keep it refrigerated until you're ready to use it. What I usually do is I take it out of the package when I'm ready to use, and then usually it comes with 2 packages in there, which is perfect because one could be the bottom layer and then the other can be the top layer. And in your ABC pie that you have for your September box, we're actually making apple cutouts for our ABC pie. And make sure you let this sit out for about 5 minutes. Take it out of the package, let it sit, and then you can roll it out. You don't want it sitting out too long because then it's going to get too mushy and it's going to be hard to work with. So I wanted to give you that quick tip, and happy baking. We'll see you next time.